It is a top-line beat for Tilray. Revenues there coming in at $15.5 million versus analyst estimates of $14.15 million. Now, that's up 110% from last year. Keep in mind that the estimates are comprised of just 5 analysts here. On the bottom line, the EPS is a loss of 33 cents GAAP. It's unclear what that reference point is as far as estimates, so we don't really have an apples-to-apples comparison there. Another really important metric is kilos sold. They are reporting 2,053 kgs sold. That's a nearly threefold increase year over year. And what's really notable about these earnings, it's the first one that really includes Canadian legalization. So it'd be interesting to hear on the call more about their access to Canadian retail stores, as well as their recent spree of acquisitions, including Manitoba Harvest, a hemp-based company, and any sort of efforts to go into the U.S., as well as their partnership with Anheuser-Busch. Sarah, back to you.
I mean, it just strikes me as you go through these numbers, Aditi, that it's also new, right? It's hard to sort of figure out, like, kilograms, what we're supposed to look at in terms of the metrics.
Exactly.
How are investors and the Wall Street analysts that have picked up coverage of these stocks actually valuing these companies?
Well, that's the big question. I know I just talked to an analyst who knows this space really well, and an investor in this space, and that's what they were talking about. There's been a lot of question about the valuation of these companies, particularly Tilray, and they were saying that a lot of investors are sort of watching and waiting to see if these high valuations will bear out.